Hello students, you know that we are doing this wonderful topic called operational amplifier. So we have understood that there are different types of applications in case of operational amplifier. That is linear applications and non-linear applications, and we have mentioned different applications there. So next we will derive all those applications which are there in our syllabus. But before that, we have understood what is the need of negative feedback in op-amp in the previous video. Now we will understand one important and very abstract concept or imaginary concept in case of op-amp, right? So if you understand this concept, you will easily understand the rest of the concepts in op-amp. Okay, it is very crucial concept in case of op-amp, right? Every concept is very important. Here this is just like a very important stage in op-amp understanding. Okay, so here virtual ground concept, virtual ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ virtual which is not real ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we need imagination ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಏನು ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ virtual ground, there is virtual ground which is virtual ground means here it is not physically connected to zero potential, but it is at zero potential. Okay, so that is what the important concept here. That is what requires little bit of readiness to digest this concept. Okay, right. So here first I will draw the circuit diagram, which is of course one of the applications circuit diagram. Inverting amplifier ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ ಆಂಪ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ this is an op amp symbol. It is inverting terminal, there is a non-inverting terminal, plus VCC minus VEE. They are biasing terminals. Here output terminal, right? Output terminal. Illen ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'll apply a signal through a resistor RI. Okay, so ಈ V in ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ signal na, this is input voltage source, signal source. We connect this signal to inverting terminal. Okay, inverting terminal ಗೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ through a resistor RI, and non-inverting terminal is connected to ground potential. See, ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದರ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ನಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ is connected to zero potential. So now we'll see one resistor which is connected across inverting terminal and output terminal. ನೋಡಿ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕಡೆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. RF ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. RF means feedback resistor. Okay, this is circuit connection. See, due to this voltage source, input current flows, that is called as IN. So IN current flows through RI. Here there is junction. Let us name this one as node A. See, here current divides according to Kirchhoff current law. Let us name that divided current as IF, which as it flows through RF. Adhe tara, let us call this current as IB because it flows to, or it's supposed to flow to the differential amplifier inside the op amp, very first stage. Therefore I call this one as IB, right? So here this circuit diagram is used to understand virtual ground concept, right? So Vin is input signal source. Okay, so then IN is input current through resistor RI, RF, feedback resistor, IF, feedback. See here where these terms has to be mentioned properly in sentence. IF is what? Feedback current through RF. IB, feedback and not current through amplifier or current into amplifier or op amp amplifier, operational amplifier, plus VCC and minus VE are biasing sources, voltage sources. ಸರಿನಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ideal characteristics we know that ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? open loop gain A is infinite for a ideal op amp. Okay, let us consider this one as ideal op amp. Okay, this is ideal op amp circuit. Okay, ideal op amp circuit. And ಇನ್ನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತು? Input impedance is infinite. This implies that input current into op amp is 0. Correct? Input current into op amp is 0. ನೋಡಿ, input impedance ತುಂಬಾ high ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ infinite ಇದೆ. It is just like open circuit. Therefore, no current flows through this path. Current through this path will be 0, or inside the circuit will be 0. Right? So, agare IB is 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೇನಾ? Since input impedance is infinite, since input impedance of the op amp is infinite, current into the op amp is 0 due to the input source. Okay, source ಇಂದ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ as we know, gain is the ratio of output by input voltage. So can we write this one as output voltage by difference voltage at the input terminals ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ VA minus VB. ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ this will be what? How much? Infinite for ideal op amp. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ of course this implies ಏನು? VA minus VB must be 0. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? VA minus VB must be 0 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. V0 by VA minus VB ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್, VA minus VB must be 0 because V0 by 0 is infinity. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? VA is equal to VB. Potential at A, node A is equal to potential at node B. Sorry, this is node B. ಸರಿನಾ? Right. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ since VB is 0 because non-inverting terminal is at 0 potential alva, 0 volt ಅಥವಾ 0 potential are connected to ground, right? VA is equal to 0. This implies VA is also 0. potential at node A is also virtually zero. ಸರಿನಾ? Potential at node A is 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, this is voltage source V in, this is RI, this is RF ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ, suppose if you are mentioning node A as this one as node B, which is a zero potential, right? So here the input impedance is very high, Zin is equal to infinite, therefore current through this one will be IB is equal to 0, or in other words potential at A and potential at B will be same, that is VA is equal to VB. Since B is at 0 potential, VA is equal to VB is equal to 0, right? So that is VA is equal to VB is equal to 0, that is virtual ground. Okay, so this is regarding this important concept called virtual ground. So on this virtual ground concept only we derive all of the or most of the applications of operational amplifier which are there in our syllabus. Okay, so please read this one in your textbook also. Go through this same type of explanation I have given just like in the textbook, right? So please understand this concept. It is very useful and it is very required to understand operational amplifier.